I'm getting ready to put some primer on the boat, but I want to let my son paint first, so I got to show him some things. One of the things is I don't have a regulator here, but I do have a water filter on the air compressor. And another thing is this freaking spray can, I have to redo that. But anyway, I want to show him how to get started. You barely pull the trigger and the air comes out. You pull the trigger all the way and paint comes out. So what I need to do is adjust how much paint I let come out. I want quite a bit of paint, so I turn the top knob. Want a little bit less air, turn the bottom knob. A little bit less air. Okay? And what another thing you want to do too is another thing you want to do is wear your respirator, okay? All right, so back up. Let me put my respirator on, and I'll start painting this thing, or priming it. Yeah, stop. Okay, there you go. Alright, dark out here, but got it primed up, sealed. Got a couple spots I need to work on. I got to get a regulator before I use it again, because my gun, see this run right here? My gun went crazy on me. A little Mickey Mouse gun, but you know, it's primer, so I could sand that out. Good thing that wasn't my real paint. And then I forgot to tape up in there. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but whatever. Clean that out. All the live wells got paint in them now. So, but anyway, I got the inside totally sealed. Totally sealed. Inside and out. Just got to do some sanding. Prime it up again. But it's sealed now. Like I said, I'm not worried about the floor too much right now. But everything is sealed up. Most of it came out real nice. So.